The world of digital radiography is constantly changing by nature. The challenges are changing, the scenarios, the fields of operation. One thing remains the same. Results should be immediate, precise, clear. When you're out in the field with Vidisco, you're not just carrying the world's leading portable DR system. You're carrying with you 30 years of proven field expertise in both security and NDT sectors, dedicated R&D, global pre- and post-sale teams, financial and operational departments. We offer an arsenal of solutions, tailor-made for any budget and industry, with the agility to upgrade all future modules. From our headquarters to everywhere on the planet, Vidisco serves more than 80 countries worldwide, with thousands of units already operational within the world's top security and NDT organizations, supported by local Vidisco agents. We have one goal that drives us: to enable you to respond best to any possible scenario. Vidisco, smart, portable X-ray solutions.